Hi, welcome back to part 2 of Robots. Like I said, I bought them at the dollar store. That's where I got them. So this is the full-on official transformation of this jet. So you flip out the little wings, which are his feet. You pull back these little wings, back here, which goes like that. The head. So the body does not actually snap in. You think that the body would go forward and that the head would come down in here, in there. But nope. The head actually stays back here. So the little thruster is the head. The arms, well, he doesn't really have any hands, but the little nose cone or cockpit, you'd think that it would be tight and be like this, where you could pose it like up, down. Nope, they're droopy. So yeah, they're all nice and flippity floppity droopy. These are his arms. Hey, I had it for a second there. And now these parts are telling you to stick them out here. This is how the official transformation is. These little